Igbo na diaspora, Igbo na entertainment, Igbo na government. I need them to facilitate, I need them to fekalaka. Anywhere you enter, we say yeah. I walk out, I never see beautiful people.
Hi beautiful Simply Nana Obi, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I just played those little music for you, but I don't know if it will continue being there because YouTube might actually flag me for that music. But definitely if you don't hear Flavor singing, just know I have removed the music because of what? YouTube flagging. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys can all see here Obi-Cubana and the wife went for the burial of Zenco. Zenko is this particular person now that is reigning right now. They call him a billionaire. Of course, Chief Priest and Oko were all present at the mom's burial. During the mom's burial, he actually went viral, just the same way Obi-Cubana went viral during his mom's burial, right? So Zenko, the recent billionaire that they are mentioning all over Nigeria, buried his mom, and Obi-Cubana and the wife honored it. It's not only Obi-Cubana that came around, so many of them came around. And it was like a VIP invitation. You can see Obi-Cubana greeting Zenko himself. And you even see the Zenko that has this money. You can see him there, cut his hair. You will not even know he has the money. Like, he was looking too simple. That even when Flavor was singing, the bouncer actually wanted to bounce out Zenko, thinking that he was just ordinary person, not knowing that he was the billionaire that invited them all. Yes, so Obi-Cubana and all of them, they were having great fun. They enjoyed themselves during the weekend, and of course you can see that the men are the ones sitting here, and I'm sure the wife was sitting in other place, just relaxing while letting the husband sit out with big boys as it is. Okay, so let me just tell you guys, just for point of correction, if you come to Nigeria, the Igbos are the ones that are the billionaire. Yeah, quote me wrong in the comment section. The Igbos are the ones that are the billionaire. We have so many billionaires in the eastern part of Nigeria. They might not be living in the east, but they're living in various states of Nigeria. But they are what? Billionaire. So according to Zenko, they say Zenko he's doing, I don't know, I think they say it's something about phone, I don't know, but he's doing this great work that actually turned him into a billionaire. Of course, a businessman. 9 to 5 work cannot make you a billionaire. Simple and short. And these amazing pictures we are taking, yes, these amazing beautiful pictures, and you can also see Obi-Cubana and the wife, and of course Obi-Cubana is a titled man. Okpata Ezurora. In Igbo, it means somebody that makes money and gives everybody. Like, when he makes, everybody will eat. Okpata Ezurora. So they actually had so much fun. From the pictures you can see them. You can see Chief Priest here on the photo here, and so many of the young Igbo billionaires that are not popular on the internet. And you can see Obi-Cubana and the wife here. And whereas, of course, Obi-Cubana greeting those ones, you can see the Zenko there. Of course, the Zenko was looking very, very simple, that you will not even know that he's a billionaire. Look at him looking extremely simple and wearing his mom's picture as pendant. There are many honorables, many low-key billionaires that was present in the occasion. And these beautiful pictures of Obi-Cubana and the wife was looking very beautiful. Obi-Cubana's outfit looking beautiful, and the wife's outfit as well looking very, very beautiful. She's looking slink, pengy, and anything you can say. Of course, she has to represent. What do you mean? She has to represent. She has to definitely represent because if you're married to a billionaire, what do you want? You have to represent now. You have to represent. Even though you don't know how to represent, people will teach you how to definitely represent. So they were looking so good, and I love the fact that the Igbos are coming up because if you hear the stories of the Igbos, you know that we came again, we came, we fought, and we conquered, and we are back again as what we used to or what we usually used to be. Okay, no matter how much you break an Igbo man, he will still get up and still be doing what he has to do, and will still be doing so good. And we like to support each other, especially in occasions like this. We don't mind, we'll go, we'll spend. It's even the Igbos that taught other tribes that when you go to weddings or other occasions, you should be able to spray money. You know, you should be able to waste money. You know, to tell them that you have arrived. It's the Igbo that taught people how to do that, of course. We the Igbos, there's something we say, "Enwere obi eji eli ego," means you make money, you get heart, they chop money. Because not everybody will make this money, sabi chop money. Oh. Some people go make money, they will go chop. The money go just dey into their inside their account, they smell. They will go chop am. But if you want to know how to make money and chop money, you have to be friends with the Igbos. You have to be in the clique, in the cocoons of the Igbo men that knows how to make money and eat money. Because money is for spending. Yeah, money is for spending. I didn't say you shouldn't invest, but you should also, in addition, know how to spend that color. Money is for spending. Kudi is for spending. You should know how to spend that money, okay? If you don't know how to spend that money, forget. You can't be in that cocoon. You can't be in that category. You can't even be. Even if you try to be in that mist, that you don't know how to spend money, they won't spend back at you because onwe ndị Igbo na-asị ihe i mere onye a bụ nga jidere m means that what you do for this person is take and hold. When you do something, the other person will also come and maintain go boss, like hype the day for you. You go look at say you get person. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Share this video. And what? I will see you in my next video. Don't forget I love you. Thanks for your support. And I'll see you next time. Bye.